Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. The SEC's new request for an extension by 1 week reveals, in the footnote, that Ripple proposed a summary judgment schedule with opening briefs and related fillings due in mid-May. The Securities and Exchange Commission has submitted a request for an extension until no later than 1 week after the individual defendants file their answers, in order to inform the court of whether the plaintiff intends on conducting additional discovery. This request aims to extend the March 23, 2022 deadline for the parties to propose a discovery schedule for the individual defendants. Market cap has had a shaky 3 months since December, but things seem to be turning for the better with last week's numbers. Ethereum saw $25 million of inflows last week, the largest of any altcoin. Multi-asset investment products still remain an investor favorite. The previous week saw $8.6 million of inflows move into multi-asset investment products, bringing the total inflows over a 1-year period to $104 million. It is also the category with the most inflows on a year-to-date basis, representing 3.6% of assets under management. Solana, Polkadot, and Binance all saw $1.7 million, $0.9 million, and $0.4 million in inflows respectively, with Litecoin, Cardano, and XRP recording $0.4 million, $0.9 million, and $0.4 million respectively. Blockchain equities inflows were up to $7.7 million in the same time period. Ripple CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, called the ruling a huge win, adding that the case is bound to get more attention now. How the ruling plays in favor of Ripple. Presiding Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice defense was denied. Judge Torres stated that the SEC had failed to persuade it on the point by failing to cite relevant case laws. The ruling also explained that the SEC had failed to prove that it would suffer undue prejudice from the continuation of Ripple's fair notice defense. Commenting on the turn of events, Ripple's general counsel, Stuart Alderoty, said that the order was a significant one. This is because it seriously questions if the SEC provided Ripple with fair notice that sales of XRP would be breaking securities laws. Alderoty adds that it is good to see the judge reject the SEC's attempt to stop his principal from pursuing its fair notice defense. Good to see the judge rejecting the SEC's attempt to prevent Ripple from pursuing its fair notice defense. It's even more imperative that the sun sets on the SEC's regulation by projects contributing to ongoing efforts for other open-source technologies, as well as projects working on integrations for XRP and XRP ledger implementations, including API integrations, SDK releases, and the maintenance of code libraries. With this new commitment, Ripple joins the likes of Ethereum Foundation and others in its support for grants to help developers build on open-source blockchain platforms. Such grants have become an important way to help sustain and grow the developer community for various protocols and platforms. As the crypto industry continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how other projects follow suit and whether grants become a more commonly used tool to support developers. The second news today about Sberbank, others granted right to issue and exchange digital financial assets in Russia. Russian regulators appear to be fast-tracking domestic companies' efforts to become homegrown token exchanges, with the central bank approving the banking and giant Sberbank's application to become an official digital financial assets (DFA) issuer. Back in January, Sberbank asked the central bank to grant it the right to issue a stablecoin for its corporate clients, but the new permit will also allow Sberbank to offer digital asset exchange services. Two of the firms, Interfax reported, also received permits, namely the fintech company Lighthouse, together with Transmash Holding, TMH, the biggest locomotives and rail equipment provider in Russia. The latter has been working on what it has termed a digital financial ecosystem, involving some aspects of crypto and blockchain for several months. The register of DFA issuing companies is nothing new in Russia. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, CryptoGround, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, CryptoGround analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from CryptoGround is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the Coin Price Forecast platform expects Ripple to start 2023 at $2.30, then soar to $2.82 during the first 6 months, and end 2023 at $3.33. Last but not least, economy forecast agency experts are bearish on Ripple in 2023. In January, the price of the coin will be set at $1.